The clutch system is located between the engine and the transmission. It enables the power transfer and separation between the crankshaft and the transmission input shaft. When the clutch is engaged, the power flow from the crankshaft is guided over the flywheel, the clutch disc, and cover assembly to the transmission input shaft. This is how the engine-transmission connection is established. If this power flow is interrupted, the pressure plate is relieved by the release mechanism and lifted over the clutch disc by leaf springs. The clutch disc is detached and the engine and transmission are separated.